Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be in Avenir and Palm Beach Gardens, which is going to be a massive luxury planned community. So if you want to see more of what they have to offer, stay until the end and remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. So here we have the Reverence Model. The Reverence is a really unique floor plan and it's going to give you 2,669 square feet under air, 3 bedrooms and an office with its own walk-in closet, 3 bathrooms, with one of them being a Jack and Jill for the 2 secondary bedrooms up front, and the other being a cabana and guest bathroom off from the central living space and lanai. You get a 2-car garage plus a golf cart garage / storage area, and you can either get the extended lanai or expand the living room further out. And they offer this home design in multiple different communities in Port St. Lucie and Palm Beach. But if you're looking for something more move-in ready or don't want to worry about the entire construction process, they have some homes for sale in their communities. So if you want more information about those or you want to see more of their homes, reach out. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be happy to help you. Otherwise, take a look around, make sure you stay until the end, and enjoy the home. Hopefully you enjoyed that video tour, but this is just one of the many beautiful homes Palm Beach Gardens in South Florida has to offer. And as always, I'm gonna put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into this area, wanna get an idea if this would work for you, I'm here to help you with that.